Welcome students in maths class. We are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 1.4 differentiation. Derivative on parametric function. Rule is this: dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, or dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, where here parameter is theta. X and y are functions of theta. So parameter is theta. So dy by dx, dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So let us start with question number 2. Find dy by dx. First sub question is given that x is equal to cosec cube theta and y is equal to cot cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 6 we find. So here we differentiate x and y with respect to theta. So dx by d theta, that is derivative of cosec square theta. So derivative of cosec square theta will be 2 times of cosec theta into derivative of cosec theta. Derivative of cosec theta is minus cosec theta into cot theta. Then derivative of y, so it will be minus 2 times of cosec and cosec, it is cosec square theta into cot theta, that is dx by d theta. Now we find dy by d theta, y is equal to cot cube theta. So derivative of cot cube, dy by d theta is equal to 3 times of cot square theta into derivative of cot theta. So derivative of cot theta is minus cosec square theta, which is minus of 3 times cosec square theta into cot square theta. This is dy by d theta. Then we find dy by dx. So or dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, and that is equal to, see, your dy by d theta is minus 3 cosec square theta into cot square theta, minus 3 cosec square theta into cot square theta upon dx by d theta, minus 2 cosec square theta into cot theta. So this cosec square theta is getting cancelled, minus sign will get cancelled, and one cot theta is getting cancelled again. So what is left here? Minus of, so dy by dx is equal to 3 by 2 and cot theta. Now we find this at pi by 6, theta is equal to pi by 6. Therefore dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 6, at theta is equal to pi by 6. So that will be 3 times 3 by 2 times cot of pi by 6. So that is equal to root 3, 3 by 2 into root 3. So that will be the answer. So dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 6, 3 root 3 upon 2. Second sub question, x is equal to a cos cube theta, a sin cube theta, y. So find dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3. dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So dy by d theta, y is a sine cube theta. So a sine cube theta, a is constant, derivative of sine cube, 3 sine square into derivative of sine theta. So it is a into, here it is fx raised to power n. तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ fx raised to power n क्या होता है, n into fx raised to power n minus 1 into f dash of x. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव होगा 3 और इसका इंडेक्स कम होगा, दैट इज 3 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा एंड फिर साइन थीटा का डेरिवेटिव दैट इज कॉस थीटा. सो dy by d theta will be a 3 sin square theta and then derivative of sin theta which is cos theta upon dx by d theta, a कांस्टेंट, cos क्यूब है तो 3 cos स्क्वायर थीटा और फिर वापस cos थीटा का डेरिवेटिव दैट इज माइनस साइन थीटा व्हिच इज माइनस साइन थीटा. 3a is getting cancelled, इस 3a और 3a कैंसिल होगा, ये माइनस साइन आगे आएगा. dy by dx is equal to माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा कॉस थीटा, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा कॉस थीटा और इधर साइन थीटा एंड कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा और कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा साइन थीटा. ये माइनस साइन हमने आगे लिया. तो साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा इज गेटिंग कैंसिल्ड, एक साइन थीटा कैंसिल होगा, एक कॉस थीटा कैंसिल होगा. सो देन व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, न्यूमरेटर में साइन थीटा आएगा, माइनस साइन इज देयर साइन थीटा और डिनोमिनेटर में कॉस थीटा which is dy by dx is equal to minus of tan theta, but we find this dy by dx at, we find this dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3. So dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3, that is 60 degree. So which is minus of tan of pi by 3 and tan pi by 3 is root 3. So this gives us minus of root 3. So listen, dy by dx, dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, फिर derivative of y it is 3 sin square theta and derivative of sin theta is cos theta और derivative of x that is a constant 3 cos square और वापस derivative of cos is minus sin theta. So 3a is getting cancelled, 1 sin theta is getting cancelled, cos theta is getting cancelled. So what is left over here, minus of sin theta upon cos theta which is minus tan theta और substitute theta is equal to pi by 3. Fourth sub question, x is equal to 2 cos t plus cos 2t, y is equal to 2 sin t minus sin 2t at t is equal to pi by 4 we find. So find out dx by dt, derivative of cos t minus sin t, but derivative of cos 2t is minus sin 2t into again derivative of 2t, that is 2. So which is minus of 2 sin t and इसका डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन ऑफ 2t और डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2t that is minus, that is 2, which is dx by dt is this, dy by dt, two constant, derivative of sin t is cos t, माइनस साइन इज ऑलरेडी देयर, साइन 2t का वैसे ही डेरिवेटिव, साइन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव साइन 2t इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos 2t एंड 2t का डेरिवेटिव 2, so which is cos 2t and 2 derivative of 2t is 2. So we find dy by dx dy by dx is equal to dy by dt, as parameter is t here, upon dx by dt. So substitute dy by dt, 2 cos t minus 2 cos of 2t upon then dx by dt. Dx by dt is this minus 2 sin t minus 2 sin 2t. This 2 is getting cancelled and that will be cos of t minus cos of 2t upon minus sin t sin of 2t, which is dy by dx. But we find dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4. So dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4, which is cos of pi by 4 minus cos of 2 times of pi by 4 upon minus sin pi by 4 sin of 2 times of pi by 4. So 2 times of pi by 4 gives us pi by 2. So dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4. Cos of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and this is pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 0 minus again sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, minus sign is there, 1 by root 2, and this will be 2. Sin of pi by 2 is 1, which is 1. Simplify it. यहाँ पे LCM होगा रूट 2, ये माइनस साइन वी कैन राइट हियर 1 by root 2 and this is 1 plus root 2 upon root 2. So this is getting cancelled and we are getting minus 1 upon 1 plus root 2. So to get the answer, again we multiply by 1 minus root 2, 1 minus root 2. So numerator क्या होगा 1 plus root 2 and 1 minus root 2, that is 1 minus 2. So here we write that is equal to 1 minus root 2 upon 1 minus 2. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus 2, which is minus 1 denominator, and this is cancelled. 1 minus root 2 will be the last answer. So dy by dx at x is t is equal to pi by 4. We are going to start question number 3. First sub question: if x is equal to a sec root of sec theta minus tan theta and y is equal to a root of sec theta plus tan theta, we show that dy by dx is minus y upon x. So here look at, we can eliminate theta. So how we can eliminate theta? We use identity sec square theta minus tan square theta, that is equal to 1. So we use this identity sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This identity we use and we eliminate theta. So how it is? X into y, that gives us a into a square, or root of sec theta minus tan theta, multiply करो x और y, so into root of sec theta plus tan theta. So what we have done, x into y, a into a square, sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta, that will give us sec square theta minus tan square theta inside the square root. So x into y is equal to a square root of a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, मतलब sec square theta minus tan square theta, and which is equal to 1. So therefore x into y is equal to a square into root of 1, which is x into y is equal to 1. Now here theta is not there in the expression, that means theta is eliminated. Now we differentiate with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, we will be getting dy x into product rule, u derivative of v, v derivative of u, x dy by dx plus y into derivative of x 1. Right hand side, see this right hand side is a square. So a square is constant, so its derivative will be 0. So x into dy by dx is equal to minus y, and as we require dy by dx will be equal to minus of y upon x. So we require dy by dx is equal to minus of y upon x. Second sub question, here given x is equal to e raised to power sin 3t, y is equal to e raised to power cos 3t, and we show dy by dx is equal to, here we use the fact that x is equal to e raised to power y, then this implies y is equal to log of x. If we take log of both sides, log x will be log of e raised to power y, and that will be y log e, that is y. So remember, x is e raised to power y, then y is what? Log x. So here e raised to power y, suppose x is e raised to power y, then y will be equal to log x. So therefore write it, log of x will be equal to sin 3t. Okay, why x is equal to e raised to power sin 3t? If we take log of both sides, then log x will be log of e raised to power sin 3t, and that will be sin 3t into log of e, and log e is equal to 1. So only sin 3t will be there. So sin 3t we wrote. Similarly, log of y will be, so log of y will be equal to log of e raised to power cos 3t. So cos 3t into log e, that is cos 3t only, cos of 3t. So once you are getting log of x, log of y, now we differentiate it with respect to t. So let us denote it by one, say we differentiate it with respect to t, derivative of log x with respect to t, chain rule of derivative we use. So differentiating with respect to t, so derivative will be 1 by x into dx by dt. Right hand side, sin derivative will be cos, but it is 3t. So again derivative of 3t, which is 3. Cos of 3t into derivative of 3t, that is 3. So therefore, but this cos 3t, we know cos 3t is equal to what? Log y from 1. So dx by dt is equal to, this 3 is there, 3, x we write here, x cross multiplication, cos 3t is log y from 1, log y. This is our dx by dt. अभी हमको dy by dt फाइंड करना है. वापस इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू t. सो log y है तो 1 upon y होगा, और dy by dt. Then right hand side, derivative of cos is minus sine of 3t, or into derivative of 3t, that is 3, which is 3. dy by dt is equal to, what will be dy by dt into, that is minus 3 y multiply sin 3t. Sin 3t as we earlier said, sin 3t. Sin 3t कितना है? In equation 1 that is log x. So sin 3t के बदले हमको log x रखना है, log x. Okay. Here dy by dt and dx by dt, and we require to find dy by dx. So by derivative of parametric functions, what will be dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. We are having dy by dt is this minus 3y log x upon dx by dt is 3x log y. Now this 3 is getting cancelled, and as we required y log x and x log y we are getting. So that is equal to y log x upon x log y, which is required to show dy by dx is equal to minus y log x upon x log y. Look at third sub question. X is this t plus 1 upon t minus 1, y is t minus 1, t plus 1. You will observe that x and y both are reciprocals of each other. यहाँ पे t plus 1 न्यूमरेटर में है, t minus 1 डिनोमिनेटर में है, इधर t minus 1 और t plus 1 ये रेसिप्रोकल है. So if we multiply x into y, so t will be obviously eliminate. So we can do the same thing. X into y is equal to t plus 1 t minus 1 and into t minus 1 t plus 1. So cancel होगा, that they will cancel each other, and that is equal to 1. So therefore you will be getting x into y is equal to 1. अब इसको product rule u into v, u derivative of v, v derivative of u, differentiating with respect to x, x derivative of y with respect to x, plus y derivative of x. So derivative of x is 1, right hand side क्या है 1, its derivative will be 0. Now therefore, now as we want to show this, listen, from this x into y is equal to 1. So therefore here see the in expression we don't require x, so x is to be eliminated. x को हम replace करेंगे. So how we replace? By using this relation, x into y is equal to 1. Therefore x will be equal to 1 upon y. Okay, x is 1 upon y, we replace here. So therefore 1 upon y into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Cross multiplication will give us dy by dx plus y square is equal to 0, which is required to show. Y square plus dy by dx is equal to 0 we want to show. So this x we replace by 1 upon y. So 1 upon y dy by dx plus y, and taking cross multiplication we will get the result. Second, next question, that is fourth. X is a cos cube theta t, y is a sin cube t, and we want to show dy by dx is equal to this minus y upon x raised to power 1 by 3. So इसको हम differentiate करेंगे dx by dt और dy by dt. पावर है raised to power 3, so it will be 3 cos square. या तो we can eliminate t, हम t को eliminate कर सकते हैं. So let us do that. X upon a will be equal to cos cube t, or y upon a will be equal to sin cube t. फिर क्यूब रूट अगर लेते हैं दोनों साइड का, we use identity sin square plus cos square t, that is equal to 1. So from this identity we can eliminate t. ये आइडेंटिटी यूज करके हम t को एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. तो सबसे पहले इसका क्यूब रूट लेना होगा, x अपॉन a रेज टू पावर 1/3 दैट इज क्यूब रूट विच इज cos t। इसका भी क्यूब रूट y अपॉन a रेज टू पावर 1/3 sin t इज इक्वल टू sin t। व्हाट वी डिड हियर, दोनों का क्यूब रूट लिया, देन रेज पावर 2 दैट इज स्क्वायर करना है, स्क्वायर करना है तो x अपॉन a रेज टू पावर 2/3 होगा पावर 2, सो ये भी cos स्क्वायर t होगा, दिस विल बी y अपॉन a रेज टू पावर 2/3, इसका पावर 2 होगा sin स्क्वायर t, and adding these two, so right hand side will become sin square plus cos square which is 1, so t is eliminate, x upon a raised to power 2/3 plus y upon a raised to power 2/3 that is equal to cos square t plus sin square t, and which is equal to 1, so thus t is eliminate। अभी t एलिमिनेट करने के बाद डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे हम विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, x रेज टू पावर 2/3 अपॉन, so we'll write it x upon a raised to power 2/3 plus y upon a raised to power 2/3 and that is equal to 1, so this expression we differentiate with respect to x, so we differentiate this expression with respect to x, so differentiating with respect to x, with respect to x, so we'll be getting x upon a raised to power 2/3 है, so which will be 2/3 x upon a raised to power 2/3 minus 1 which is minus 1/3, 2/3 minus 1 which is minus 1/3, so we use this and into derivative of x upon a, so into derivative of x upon a that is 1 upon a, so derivative of x is 1, 1 by a is constant, so 1 by a into derivative of x that is 1 plus again here 2/3 y upon a raised to power minus 1 upon 3, same here 2/3 into y upon a raised to power 2/3 minus 1, so that is minus 1 upon 3 and derivative of y upon a, so derivative of y upon a with respect to x, you can write here d dx of y upon a, and the right hand side is constant, so its derivative will be 0. As this right hand side is 0, so this 2/3 is getting cancelled, dividing by 2/3, then x upon a raised to power minus 1 upon 3 1 by a plus y upon a raised to power minus 1/3, this is 1 by a into derivative of y with respect to x, 1 by a is constant, it is dy by dx which is 0, so again this 1 by a is getting cancelled, we require dy by dx, so this term we take in the right hand side, y upon a raised to power minus 1 upon 3 dy by dx is equal to minus x upon a raised to power minus 1 by 3, so as raised to power minus 1 by 3 it will go in denominator, now take here in the denominator the dy by dx is equal to minus sign is there, x upon a raised to power minus 1 by 3 and this will be in denominator but raised to power minus है तो ऊपर आएगा प्लस होगा y upon a raised to power 1 by 3, so this will go in denominator minus y upon a upon x upon a raised to power 1 by 3, so this a is getting cancelled and we will be getting dy by dx is equal to So dy by dx is equal to, minus sign is there, this minus sign, y upon x raised to power how much? 1 by 3, and this is required to show.